Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to add WhatsApp from another country. First, you need to go to the contact list and save the person's contact details. For example, you're going to save this person's name as Sir B, and then after that, type the number, and once done, click Save. For privacy purposes, let me cover this number and this person's info. Now, go to your WhatsApp account, go to Search, click New Contact. Here, you can write or type the name again. For example, Sir B. Scroll down to type or paste the number. After that, you can click Save. So as you can see here, the person is available on WhatsApp and the person is from Belgium. Now all you have to do is to click this message icon and send a message to that person. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again.